Good morning. Today we will start the chapter 10a. It is the unit bulk properties of matter ही है, इसी में चैप्टर है ये. चैप्टर 9 भी bulk properties of matter में ही था. चैप्टर 10a जिसका नाम है हाइड्रोस्टैटिक्स, ये भी चैप्टर 9 में ही, ये भी यूनिट 7 में ही आएगा, लेकिन इट इज चैप्टर 10a. इट इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोस्टैटिक्स. ठीक है बेटा. तो हाइड्रोस्टैटिक्स तक पहुंचने के लिए पहले मुझे आप लोगों को बताना पड़ेगा फ्लूइड. फ्लूइड्स क्या होते हैं. ठीक है बेटा. एनी सबस्टेंस which begins to flow when some external force is applied is called a fluid. What is fluid? कोई भी substance जो फ्लो करना स्टार्ट करे जब एक्सटर्नल फोर्स लगाएंगे उसको बोलते हैं fluid. What is fluid? Any substance which begins to flow when some external force is applied is called a fluid. Examples of fluids are liquids and gases. Liquids and gases are some examples of fluids. What is a fluid? Fluid is a substance which begins to flow when some external force is applied. The examples of fluids are liquids and gases. Now, the second term is hydrostatics. Hydrostatics. इधर देख लीजिए. Hydro means related to liquid. अब hydrostatics, the branch of physics which deals with the study of fluids, basically they are liquids at rest is called hydrostatics. What is hydrostatics? It is the branch of physics which deals with the study of fluids, that is liquids at rest, is called hydrostatics. Second branch is hydrodynamics. Hydrodynamics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of fluids, or that is liquids in motion. मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूं, when the liquids are in motion then we will study hydrodynamics. When the liquids are at rest we will study hydrostatics. But in this chapter 10a we are dealing with the liquids which are at rest. We are not dealing with the liquids or fluids which are in motion. We have to deal with the liquids in hydrostatics which are at rest. Remember it. We are dealing with the fluids or liquids which are at rest. But in hydrodynamics, which is the next chapter, we will deal with the liquids. Again, liquids or fluids, but they are in motion. याद रखना बेटा. This is the difference between hydrostatics and hydrodynamics. Very important branches of the physics. Remember them. Now, we are going to start the hydrostatics. This is the introduction of this chapter. Now, we are going to start the questions of this chapter. That is, first question is define pressure. Define pressure. Give it its units. And dimensional formula. Define pressure, give it its units and dimensional formula. याद रखें बेटा, इस क्वेश्चन को देख लीजिए पहले. Define pressure, give it its units and dimensional formula. याद रखना बेटा, जब भी कहीं पर लिक्विड होगा, लिक्विड मतलब फ्लूइड, लिक्विड पर टेंजेंशियल फोर्स एक्ट नहीं करता। टेंजेंशियल फोर्स अगर ऐसे होगा ये यील्ड नहीं होता है। टेंजेंशियल फोर्स इस पर एक्ट नहीं करता है लिक्विड्स पर। सॉलिड्स पर होता है टेंजेंशियल फोर्स, जो हमने स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन में देखा। बट ऑन लिक्विड्स, लिक्विड्स यील्ड्स ओनली परपेंडिकुलर फोर्स। जब परपेंडिकुलर फोर्स पड़ेगा किसी सरफेस एरिया पर, तब जाके वो फोर्स यील्ड कर सकता है। लेकिन टेंजेंशियल फोर्स कभी लिक्विड या फ्लूइड नहीं एक्सपीरियंस करता है, क्योंकि वो यील्ड नहीं कर पाता है, वो उस फोर्स के नीचे से भाग जाता है। इसलिए हमेशा ऑन लिक्विड्स ए परपेंडिकुलर फोर्स एक्ट्स, रिमेंबर इट। इसलिए प्रेशर जब भी डिफाइन करना है, प्रेशर is defined as the perpendicular force acting per unit area of the surface of the body. इधर देख लीजिए, perpendicular force acting per unit area of the surface of the liquid is called pressure. What is pressure? शाबाश बेटा। Pressure is the perpendicular force acting per unit area of the surface, acting per unit area of the surface is called pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is the perpendicular force acting per unit area of the surface of the liquid is called pressure. Pressure is denoted by capital P. Capital P is equal to force. It is the perpendicular force, remember it. And capital A is the area. ठीक है बेटा। Pressure is a scalar quantity. It is not a vector quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Why it is scalar quantity? Because when we exert pressure at any point on the liquid, it is transmitted equally as per the Pascal's law. It does not have any preferred direction. That is why it is called the scalar quantity. Pressure is a scalar quantity. It is not a vector quantity. It does not have any particular direction. वरना फोर्स तो हमने पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में लगाया था, लेकिन प्रेशर व्हेन वी एक्सर्ट फोर्स ऑन सम एरिया, इट इज ट्रांसमिटेड इक्वली इन ऑल द डायरेक्शंस। देयरफॉर प्रेशर इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी, इट इज नॉट ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। ठीक है बेटा। देन देयर यूनिट्स आप सबको पता है। प्रेशर, द SI यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर इज Pascal. Pascal is denoted by PA, Pa. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal, and the 1 Pascal is equal to Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square. Hence, Newton per meter square is also the SI unit of pressure. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal or Newton per meter square. In CGS system, the unit of pressure is, shabash beta, the unit of pressure is dyne per centimeter square. Dyne per centimeter square is the SI unit of pressure. Remember it. Pressure is a scalar quantity. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट प्रेशर। गिव इट इज यूनिट्स एंड डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला। फिर से बताता हूं। द परपेंडिकुलर फोर्स एक्टिंग पर यूनिट एरिया ऑफ ए सरफेस इज कॉल्ड प्रेशर. Pressure is denoted by capital P. Capital P is equal to F upon A. Pressure is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. It is abbreviated. Its symbol is P capital A small. Pa. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Hence, Newton per meter square is also the unit of pressure. The CGS unit of pressure is dyne per centimeter square. Now, the dimensional formula of pressure. Dimensional formula pressure की बना दीजिए। P होता है बराबर F upon A. फोर्स की डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला M1 L1 T minus 2 फोर्स की, एरिया की L2, तो क्या बनेगी? शाबाश बेटा, M1 L minus 1 T minus 2 इट इज द डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रेशर। डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला आ गई, यूनिट्स आ गए, डेफिनेशन आ गई, ये सारा है किसके अबाउट? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट प्रेशर। ठीक है, थैंक यू।